laziness. It's a word thrown around often. You're just being lazy, people say, but what does it really mean? Is laziness truly a lack of effort or ambition? For many, it's more complex. It's crucial to rethink what we label as laziness. Often, there's much more beneath the surface. Researchers have found that what appears as laziness can be linked to deeper issues. Understanding this shifts our perspective. It encourages empathy instead of judgment. Mental health plays a crucial role in behavior. Depression, anxiety, and ADHD are often mistaken for laziness. These conditions make it hard to act, not from lack of desire. Depression drains energy, making tasks feel monumental. Anxiety paralyzes action due to fear of failure. ADHD hinders focus, making tasks daunting. Support, not judgment, is needed. Society imposes high standards. There's pressure to always be busy and productive. Those who can't keep up are labeled lazy. But is this fair? These expectations can be unrealistic. They don't account for individual differences. Cultural norms valorize hustle. There's a glorification of overwork. This creates a skewed view of productivity. If someone needs rest, they're seen as lazy. However, rest is essential for health and efficiency. The stigma against rest is harmful. Furthermore, socioeconomic factors play a role. Not everyone has the same resources or opportunities. Poverty, lack of access to education, and systemic barriers affect productivity. Labeling someone from a disadvantaged background as lazy ignores these challenges. We need to reshape our societal views. Let's value quality over quantity, understanding that everyone has different capacities and circumstances. By doing so, we foster a more compassionate society, one where people are encouraged, not condemned. Everyone has a unique story. Personal circumstances often impact behavior. Chronic illnesses can limit energy. Caregiving responsibilities can drain time and attention, yet these struggles are often invisible. They're mistaken for laziness. Consider someone with chronic pain. They might need more rest than others. Their capacity for work fluctuates. Labeling them lazy ignores their pain. It adds to their burden. Similarly, single parents juggle multiple roles. Their time and energy are stretched thin. Financial stress is another hidden factor. Those working multiple jobs to make ends meet are exhausted. They may seem unmotivated in other areas, but it's a matter of survival. Such personal struggles are real and impactful. Recognizing these hidden struggles is important. It shifts our perspective from blame to understanding. It highlights the need for support systems. By acknowledging personal circumstances, we create a more inclusive environment, one that empowers rather than shames. Real-life stories illustrate the myth of laziness. Take John, a software engineer. He was labeled lazy at work. In reality, he was battling severe depression. With therapy, he regained his productivity. His story shows the need to look deeper. Data supports these personal anecdotes. A study by the American Psychological Association found that stress and mental health issues significantly impact work performance. It's not about laziness, it's about underlying struggles that need attention. Another example is Maria, a single mother. She was struggling to keep up with work and home responsibilities. Her colleagues saw her as lazy, but she was dealing with burnout. Once she received support, her efficiency improved. Her story highlights the power of understanding. These examples and data emphasize a crucial point. What we call laziness often has deeper roots. Addressing these roots can transform lives. It's about seeing the person beyond the label. It's about offering help instead of criticism. In conclusion, laziness is a misunderstood concept. Psychological, societal, and personal factors often create barriers. These barriers are mistaken for a lack of effort, but they're real and impactful. By understanding and addressing them, we can help individuals thrive. We must challenge our perceptions. We need to look beyond the surface. Empathy and support are key. Recognizing mental health struggles, societal pressures, and personal circumstances is essential. It leads to a more compassionate and productive society. By redefining laziness, we remove stigma. We replace it with understanding. We create an environment where people are encouraged. They're empowered to overcome their challenges. This is the path to true productivity and well-being. Let's move forward with empathy. Let's support each other in overcoming barriers. Together, we can debunk the myth of laziness. We can build a society that values understanding and compassion. This is how we inspire real change.